Hi guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. I wanted to show you guys a quick tour of the yard and what it looks like, what we've turned our gardens into at night. Stay tuned. There you have it, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed that little quick walkthrough. I know it's not all completely garden related, but it's amazing what we can turn our gardens in. I'm sure you guys saw the huge spider grub on the greenhouse. Spooky, spectacular at nighttime, and we do love this time of year. I hope you guys are enjoying your fall gardens and really enjoying converting your gardens into something fun. But as always, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Share it out, give it a good thumbs up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell in case you want to see more content to come from Gardening with Creations by DX. Stay safe and enjoy your gardens.